Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the letter recognition. If you wanna know, let's start.
ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
Okay, let's try to emphasize that you got the Arabic letters properly. So, what is this letter?
Qaf.
Great. This is Qaf. What is this letter?
Zay.
Zay. Great. What is that letter?
Ain.
Ain. What is this letter?
Kaf.
Kaf. What is this letter?
Dad.
Dad. Okay. So, Dad. A heavy or a light letter? Great. This is a heavy letter. What is this letter?
Ta.
Ta. What is this letter?
Ta.
Ta. So, ta is a heavy or ta?
Ta.
Awesome. It is ta. What is this letter?
Ghain.
Great. Ghain. What is this letter?
Sin.
Awesome. This is seen. What is this letter?
Ha.
Ha. What is that letter?
Noon.
Noon. Awesome. Great. Okay. Yeah. What is this letter?
Ain.
Ain. What is this letter?
Mim.
Meme. Great. Awesome. What is this letter?
Ba.
Ba. What is this letter?
Qaf.
Awesome. This is a heavy Qaf. What is this letter?
Mim.
This is meme. What is this letter?
Dal.
Dal. What is that letter?
Va.
Va. Great. What is this letter?
Sad.
Sad. Awesome. So, Va and Sa, a light or heavy letters? Great. They are a heavy letters. What is this letter?
Ra.
Great. This is Ra. So, is the right pronunciation to say Ra or Ra?
Ra.
Great. This is Ra, as we have learned it with repetition. What is this letter?
Ha.
Great. This is Ha, not Ha. Try to focus that the Ha, you have ate something very hot, you will say Ha, but Ha, it's not like Ha, it's close to it. Okay. What is this letter?
Zay.
Awesome. This is Zay. What is this letter?
Ya.
Great. This is Ya. What is this letter?
Jim.
This is Jim. So what is the difference between Jim and Ha and Kha? Yes, great. Jim has dot inside, Kha on the top, Ha has no dot. Yeah. So what is this letter?
Zay.
Great. They. So what is this letter?
Dal.
Great. This is Dal. Okay. What is this letter?
Va.
Va. Yeah, Va. It's a heavy or a light. Great. This is a heavy. So what are the heavy letters? Yeah, great. We collected it. In which phrase? Yeah, it is phrase خصادات قذ. Okay. What is this letter? Yeah.
Tha.
Tha. So what is the difference between Tha, Ba, and Ta? Yeah, Tha. Great. Has 3 dots. Ta has 2 dots on the top, and Ba has 1 dot only on the bottom. So what is this letter?
Alif.
Great. This is Alif. What is this letter?
Ba.
It is Ba. What is this letter?
Fa.
Awesome. This is Fa. So what is the difference between Fa and Qaf? Yeah, Fa a light letter and has 1 dot, and Qaf, it is a heavy, has 2 dots. What is this letter?
Ta.
Great. This is Ta. So what is the difference between Ta and Dha? Yeah, Dha has dot and Ta has no dot. What is this letter?
Dal.
Great, this is Dal. So what is the difference between Dal and Dal? Dal has dot and Dal has no dot. So what is this letter?
Lam.
Great, this is Lam. What is this letter?
Kha.
Yeah, this is Kha. What is this letter?
Alif.
Great, it is Alif. Yeah, this is the second time it's mentioned here. Okay, what is that letter?
Wow.
It is Wow. What is this letter?
Noon.
It is Noon. Okay, what is this letter?
Hamza.
Yeah, this is Hamza. What is the difference between this letter and this letter? Yeah, this is Alif and this is Hamza. Great. Okay, what is this letter?
Sheen.
Great, this is Sheen. So what is the difference between Sheen and Seen? Yeah, yes, great. Sheen has 3 dots, Seen has no dots. What is this letter? The last letter today
Kaf.
is Kaf. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I think that's all I can see inshallah. The next video. Salam.